I don't know. What do you think his chances are, Biff?
All we can do is keep our fingers crossed. Hopefully it won't get any colder.
Yeah. Listen, Larry, we're going to enlarge your breathing hole. Is there anything we can get for you?
No, I'm fine, Dave. The boys got me a quarter-pounder for lunch.
Oh, okay. Well, hang on. The Russian icebreaker's on its way. It'll be here as soon as it can get through the ice.
Thanks, Dave.
Okay, sure.
Hey, Dave, aren't you freezing in that sport coat?
Yeah, now that you mention it, it is kind of chilly. Hal, can we get a little more heat in here, please? Yeah.
Oh, we didn't destroy the illusion of an Arctic wasteland for the home viewers.
Oh, yeah, it was authentic, wasn't it? Screw 'em. Oh, gosh.